Yet another clip with a multi-lane roundabout that's causing problems. This was a good spot, this one. Just maybe tighten that dashcam mount. The police should always set the best possible example when they're driving. Other members of the public will be constantly watching and looking out for mistakes. And if the police do something wrong, members of the public think that's alright. Have a little look at the one behind and listen carefully. They weren't paying attention or anticipating the crossing, and that was the sound of the ABS brakes working. They were also following way too close. That's not a good example. This is a road I'm really familiar with. It's coming out of Liverpool towards the docks, and this foreign lorry driver has no excuses for this terrible driving.
Oh my god. Heavy though?
A big thanks to Cloudmaker for sending this clip in. Watch the person overtaking and the pedestrian walking. Two oblivious road users there, but honestly the motorcycle has to look after the pedestrian. That's poor. I hope they were both okay, and it's nice to see Arkama park in to find out. It's also important, don't forget, to offer yourself as a witness. So many people leave the scene without actually giving their details, and it's so helpful to all parties. Travelling so close to someone doesn't give you the time to sort things out if something unexpected happens. What if the person in front suddenly stops?
In 50 yards at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Railway Street.
You weren't expecting that, were you? Watch the vehicle from the right hand side, this one that's turning right. I don't think you meant to go in there, mate. I have no idea what Arkama was thinking. Deluded again springs to mind. There's so many people like this. I think the brake lights are a little of get off my back bumper, but it didn't warrant this.
The f*** are you doing?
That was close also. You couldn't hear anything of what was said of this bit, so it's been sped up.
I know you. Had to be a f***ing rowdy. Had to be a f***ing rowdy. Moron.
Here it's full time at Ibrox. It is finished. Rangers 1, Celtic 0. It was a Callum McGregor own goal that separated the sides, and yeah, that's just as we were saying, that is the game over.
Maybe he was a little miffed at the Old Firm result. Again, nothing happened here, you couldn't hear or see anything, but I do hope it ended peacefully and they both got rid of that red mist. If you thought that last clip was a bit crazy, you're going to like this one. Up in the distance, there's an accident that just actually happens. We need to watch the car that's just turned into the road on the left. It's just been hit by the one on the right. That's it. Get out with a length of wood. That seems a measured response. Wow. A big thanks to my camera for sending this in. He also said he could see in his mirror that they did calm down and actually were quite friendly quite quickly, which is nice to see. At the roundabout, I'd like you to turn right. I didn't say literally.
You know what I mean? If it's happening anyway, why not make it more of a communal way and, like you say, do something that can allow people to...
I always try and pass the message across that if you make a mistake, try and fix it. But I don't mean like this.
Yeah, you're feeling a prat right now, yeah. Cool, what's this bus doing?
Let's go get all those people to pay. That was
there's
like 5
kids
people
on,
went
wasn't it?
on.
Yeah.
Really?
Thanks a lot for pressing that save button and sending it in. What's your thoughts on this clip that one of my viewers sent in? It's from a couple of years ago, but he caught this lorry doing a U-turn mid-junction. Personally, I would have found a different place to turn round, perhaps a roundabout. But how did he do it? And was it illegal? Let me know what you think in the comments. Here we've got a classic roundabout rear ender.
Wow.
What's that?
You got crashed into there.
You know.
How soon do you spot the pedestrian? That really was an accident waiting to happen. Watch the junction coming up on the left. How close was this? We've had a right few crashes in this episode, and here's another one. It seemed to happen in slow motion for me. I was sitting in front of my computer watching this clip thinking what to say with this and realised I was shaking my head. I think that says it all. Thanks a lot for watching everyone. Please keep sending these clips in and keep safe.